Popular robots. Nowadays, robots are used in various places like hospitals, school, home, etc. Let us learn about some of the popular robots. 𝐏𝐨𝐩𝐻, a lovable robotic dog whose personality and behavior changes with time. It has the ability to identify its owner's face, pick up smiles and compliments, and learn new skills. It also enjoys being petted. �Mitra. �Mitra is a 5 feet tall humanoid Indian robot that can converse intelligently with people. It can speak, recognize faces, and provide relevant guidance. It can also understand many different languages. It can greet customers. 𝐁uro. 𝐁uro is a delivery robot to deliver food items. It is driverless. Customers simply need to wait outside for the robot to arrive, enter an access pin to unlock the door, and then retrieve their food. �RoBear. �RoBear is a high-tech nursing robot. It looks like a teddy bear. It is used to lift a patient from a bed onto a wheelchair. �CyberDog. �CyberDog is a 4-legged robot. It can move as quickly as 3.2 meters per second. It can follow the motion of objects. It avoids obstacles when moves.